Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of these glass bottles that I got here on Amazon. My husband and we've decided to drink more juice throughout the week, and I didn't really have a container or containers that I could store my juice in. I was researching and came across this pack of 6 right here. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of the 6 glass bottles that came in this pack, but I thought it would be cool just to have some extra ones in case I need it. So this is the bottle right here. You can see how thick the glass is. It has a little bit of weight. You can clearly see the quality of it. Very, very good. And this is the cover. It comes with this rubber right here on the inside. I don't know if you can see it, but this helps you keep the juice or whatever you have in here fresh. This will help to seal, and also it's not gonna be dripping, you know, everywhere in your fridge. And yeah, I love these. You can also use these as water bottles. I don't know, I'm kind of weird about plastic bottles. I try to use everything glass. So yeah, that's another idea. I feel like you can use these with pretty much anything, and I love it. I highly recommend these.